Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install any Ricoh printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process and it's work with the Windows 10, 7, 8, 8.1, any Windows PC or laptop. So let's go to our video and install any Ricoh printer or any Ricoh printer scanner also. So let's go to our video. First step is we check our PC Windows 10 or any Windows operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Our PC is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, new options are pop up. After that, scroll down and here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download the printer driver. That is also easy and simple. Go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. Here type Ricoh, then whatever your printer name is, whatever your printer model number is, add your printer model number. And here I add my printer model number MP1600LE. Add your printer model number and after add, type this printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. Okay, after that it's refresh and here we find the support.ricoh.com, our official site of the Ricoh printer. Here we find our printer model number. Open this link, open the first link. If first link is not work, then go to second. I go to the first link. This is an official website of the Ricoh printer. Here we find our printer model number. Okay. After that, here we find our operating system. Here we find our operating system is right and the bit is also right. If operating system is not right or bit is not right, then click on choose other OS. And this goes to, if you click on this choose other OS, it directly goes to the bottom. In a bottom, here we find our Windows. Click on this Windows and from here you can also select Windows 10 64-bit or Windows 10 32-bit, and Windows 10 and Windows 10 64-bit and Windows 10 32-bit drivers work with the Windows 7, 8, 8.1 or any other Windows also. Okay, and in this case I click on the Windows 10 64-bit, or if it's directly select your Windows 10 64-bit, then go to here. Here first I download the printer driver. Here we find the printer driver. You can download this printer driver, any printer driver, first, second, third. I go to this DDSD printer driver. You can download this printer driver, or this printer driver. All are same. I download this last printer driver. Click on the download. Wait for a few seconds and download is started at the top. Here we find our download started. It's complete depending on our size of our file. I click on here downloads. Click on the show in folder, and after download, drag this set of file to desktop. Close it. After that, go to the web browser once again, and this time go to the scanner driver. Click on the scanner driver. In a scanner driver, if your printer is supporting scanner driver, then it show also a scanner driver. Then go to the scanner driver and here we find the scanner driver. I download this scanner driver. I click on the download and scanner driver is also installed or download. Sorry. After that, go to the downloads. Click on the showing downloads and click on the showing folder and downloads and drag this set of file to desktop. Okay, the first driver is our printer driver, second is the scanner driver. First I extract or install this printer driver. For that we are going to unzip this set of file. These files are actually a zip file and we are going to unzip these files. Go to the set of file, driver set of file, right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK. It's extracted and new folder is created on desktop. Double click on it, and here we find the drivers. Okay, and we are going to install these drivers. Go to the start, type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. And if you using Windows 8 8.1, then go to the control panel, then add a printer devices and add printer. Okay, in this case I am in Windows 10, so I click at here add a printer or scanner. Click on that. Wait for a few seconds, new options are pop up on our screen. The printer that I want isn't listed, click on that, close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings, select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port. It is an most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and select any USB port that you find. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you find. Select USB port. Click on the next. Here we find Havadix. Click on Havadix. Go to the browse. Go to our unzip folder. In my case, it is on desktop, so I go to the desktop. Here we find one single file, double click on that file. Here we find only one file. If you find multiple files or multiple folders, then select where is the our files. Okay, in this case, in this folder, our file, I double click on it. Select this file. There is only .inf file. Select that file. Okay, and click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find our printer. Select. If you find multiple printers, then select your proper printer from the printer list. If you find serial printer, then select that printer and go to the next. Some serial printer contain many printers on this printer drivers. In this case, I find this printer. This is my printer. Select your proper printer and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give them my printer name. You can give any name that you like and click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take few seconds or few minutes depending on the your file size. After that, if you want to share this printer, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. After that, click on the next. I select first and click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is install our scanner driver. I have already downloaded the scanner driver, so I go to the here scanner driver. Here we find our scanner driver. It isn't very easy to install it. Double click on it or right click on it and click on run as administrator. Click on the yes. Wait for a few seconds. It's unzip and then installation is started on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. Here we find it is not installed. It's asked for the installation. It's unzipping to the folder temp and Z60 our model number or the folder number. Okay, and I want to unzip it on the desktop. So I go to the desktop, right click on it and click on new, or go to the new and click on the folder and type any name that want. I give test. You can give any name. After that, click on the blank space. After that, go to the browse. I go to the desktop. My drivers are on the desktop. In the desktop, I have test folder. I select test folder. Click on OK. Here we find two options: run a WinZip or run unzip. Both are same. I click on the unzip. You can click on the run a WinZip also. I click on the unzip. Okay, it's successful now. Click on the OK. Now close it. Now unzip process is done. Now go to the test once again. Go to the setup. Double click on setup or right click on it and click on the run as an administrator. Click on the yes. Close it. Here we find select our scanner. I select the USB and click on the OK. If you find your scanner at this point, I am not attach my scanner. So if you attach your printer, then here we find the printer. In this case, I select USB and click on the OK. And after that, our driver installation, scanner driver installation is completed. Here we find completed message. Then click on the close. Next step is check out printer is installed properly or not. Scanner and printer is installed properly or not. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, in a printer list, if you find your Ricoh printer is at this point, the name of the Ricoh printer as at this point, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 or any Windows PC or laptop 110%. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.